Good afternoon to all. I am Nagavignesh from 5th standard in Elite English Medium High School in the Ur. We are 5th class students. We are prepared activity. The activity name is soluble in water, insoluble in water, float in water, sink in water. Now go to activity. My name is Shanmukhi Lakshmi Priya. Take detergent in, put in water. See here, detergent is soluble in water. Over to my friend. I am Asif. I am take sand. I am put in water. See here, sand is insoluble in water. Over to my friend. I take wood. I will put in water. See here, wood is float in water. Over to my friend. My name is Bhargav. Take spoon. Put in water. Spoon is sinking water. Over to my friend. My name is Jogdas. I take sugar. Put in water. Sugar. There see sugar. Soluble water. Over to my friend. Prangmar is my name. I take chalk. Put in water. See here. I take chalk. Chalk is insoluble. Over to my friend.
My name is, I am Sultana. I am take chalk. See here, floating water. Over to my friend.
Banu Prakash is my name. I take bubbles. I put in water. See here, bubbles sink in water. Over to my friend.
My name is Muhammad Ali. I take salt. I mix in water. See here, soluble in water.
My name is Vaishnavi. I am take leaves. Put in water. See here, insoluble water. Over to my friend. Hi, my name is Nachatna. I take thermocol. I put in water. Thermocol is float in water. Over to my friend. I am Penchalavan Madhav. I take iron nail. Iron nail put in water. See here, iron nail sink in water. Over to my friend. Okay, press standard, insoluble in water, soluble in water, float in water, sink in water.